Melody from Beyond the Kink, and today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial to show you guys how to get this look with my eyes. You probably can't see it that well on here because the lighting's not good with my computer, but anyway, just to show you how to get this quick look using the Urban Decay Fun Palette that I just purchased on Sunday. This is a new palette that Urban Decay came out with, and I'm just going to show you how to do this look using these colors. And I also used a color from the Coastal Scent 78 eyeshadow and blush palette. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys like it. Alright, so guys, I've already gone ahead and applied my my paint to my eyelid, and I used the MAC paint in Bare Canvas, and so I just applied it to like my eyelid, and I just applied it to from the lash line up to the crease. So I applied that. The next thing that I'm going to apply is going to be Sin, the color Sin, and this is the color right here. And so this is the color that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to apply it from my lash line to my brow bone. So here we go. So I'm making sure that I get this color. Okay, so I've applied the color Scent from my lash line to my brow bone, making sure I get it in there and that it's kind of dense, because I'm going to be applying another color on top of that. Okay, so that's it. And then the next color I'm going to be using is going to be the color Bait, and I'm going to apply Bait only to my and the next color I'm going to be using is going to be Bait, and I'm going to apply Bait just to my lid area here. So I'm just going to apply Bait from my lash line to the crease here. And this is the color Baked that I'm going to be using, and that's the color there. And so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. Okay, so just like that, just from the lid to like where I have my indentation, which is like right here. Okay, so the next color I'm going to apply is going to be Woodstock, and I'm going to apply Woodstock. Here it is right here. This is Woodstock, and I'm going to be applying Woodstock from my from my outer corner here, and I'm just going to work it on across in here. And I'm just going to bring it in while I'm blending. And I'm just making sure to blend really, really well, because we're going to come on top with a deeper color. So just blend very well. And I'll just close my eyes so you guys can see what it looks like. So the next color we're going to use, it's actually not from the Urban Decay Fun Palette, but it's actually from the Coastal Scents. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the Coastal Scents 78 eyeshadow and blush combo palette. Because I needed a really good pop of red, and so I decided to use this palette. And the color we're going to use, let's see if I can, is going to be this color right here. Okay, so we're going to take that red and we're going to put it on the outer corner here. Put it on the outer corner there, and then we're just going to blend right to the middle. Alright, so that's that. We just want to make sure the edges aren't, we just want to blend the edges out. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our Baked again, our color Baked, and we're going to go back over the lid just so it pops a little bit more. Okay. Kind of blend it in so it doesn't make a harsh line. Okay, and then we're going to take some more Sin, since our Sin is going to be used as our brow color, and we're just going to pat that some more at the top and blend that as well. Okay, so then using a flat brush, this is a 242 brush. I'm just using a flat brush. I'm going to take some more of this red color here from the Coastal Scents palette, and actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to line half of the bottom of my under eye with this palette. So I'm just going to basically do this outer half here with this palette made with this color. Okay, so looks good. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to line my eyes. This is something really simple, really quick, easy to do if you just want to run out. And I have on black today, so that's the reason why I'm doing this, because I have on black and it kind of goes good with black. Next thing I'm going to do is just line my eyes with a stubborn brown. I didn't want to use a black because I thought it would just be too dark, so I'm just going to use this color by MAC. It's called Stubborn Brown. This is it. So, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to line the inner part of my eye here, just a little bit. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is line the top parts of my eye. So I'm going to line it just a little bit. Can't really see it too much. So then I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it and put it on my hand, smudge it on my hand like that. And then I'm going to take the flat brush. I'm going to take the flat brush and I'm just going to rub it. Just going to rub it, the brush, across it. And if you look at the brush, you'll see that it has the brown on there now. And then I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and brush it through my eyes. Just to get like a light line there, nothing too serious. Now I'll close my eyes so you guys can see. So then we're going to use mascara. I'm just using a Maybelline Colossal Volume Volume Express mascara. I really like these mascaras. They're not as expensive as some of the more popular ones like MAC and Dior and things like that. But however, I still feel like I get the same exact effect from using them. So I'm gonna do my eyes. Alright. And as you can see, they do really well. Like, you don't have to do too many coats. So then I'm going to do my brow lash also. Okay, and so this is the look. I don't really have a name for this look. It's just a look incorporating 3 of the colors from the Urban Decay Fun Palette, Baked, Woodstock, and Sin. And I hope you guys like it. And I also used from the Coastal Scent 78 Shadow Palette. I also used this really bright and rich red color here. So hope you guys like it. And if you have any questions, just let me know.